They're not going to let up. I mean, they may not be quite as strong as they were, but basically 24 more hours of blowing and drifting snow. And you hear me say this all the time. Hill towns, out in the countryside, farm country, where we have open areas where that wind can pick up that snow and whips it around. That's exactly what we've seen today. A buddy of mine up in Mariahville had about 3 inches of snow, and with the wind, it produced 2 and 3 foot snow drifts with that strong wind blowing. Here's up at Lake Desolation, Tinney's Tavern. We've noticed near whiteouts on the lake, Rob and I have been watching this. The winds are blowing, still some light snow, still in that little burst of snow. The view from our Saratoga Racecourse camera, the snow is letting up, but notice you can see some blowing and drifting snow here as well. So that's the big concern. The band of lake effect, it is narrow, it is intense. It has lifted northward. It's running through southern Hamilton County, north end of the Great Sacandaga, across Saratoga County into Washington County, then eventually all the way into Bennington County. If you're in this band of snow, comes down hard, maybe a ½ inch of snow, then the winds blow it around. Wilton, Northumberland, Greenwich, this is the band, heaviest snow. That will lift a little bit more northward over the next half hour to 45 minutes. With the cold air and the winds, cold weather advisories in effect. Adirondacks, hill towns, Catskills, Bennington and Berkshire counties. This means the temperatures could feel 15 to 20 below or colder. Remember, dangerous for us, dangerous for your pets. Make sure they're indoors safe tonight. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, the wind chill 8 below Albany, 10 below Saratoga, -20 Johnstown, North Creek 28 below, 13 below wind chill at Bennington, and -12 at Pittsfield. That's first thing tomorrow morning. Temps right now, low 20s, Voorheesville, Colony, 15 Dwaynesburg, Catskill 26, 19 at Pittsfield, 20 at North Adams. And remember, the winds are whipping, so wind chills are in the single digits. 14 Lake Pleasant, Queensbury 22, Manchester 15, and 16 at Johnstown. Tremendous band of lake effect. It starts all the way up near Lake Superior. This has multiple connections. That's why it is so strong, and with the high winds carrying it all the way to us. Expansive cold. The next storm gets deflected south of us Thursday because of this storm that hit us over the weekend. It's acting like a big block. So there's some good with this storm. It's keeping the next one south of us. Lake effect continues close to the Mohawk Valley. There's the storm going south of us. Additional snow, 1 to 3 western New England, west of Albany, 1 to 3. Parts of Montgomery and Fulton counties, 3 to 6. And just to the west into Herkimer County, an additional 6 to 12. Up to 30 inches of snow north of Syracuse, additional. 11 tonight, windy, be careful, blowing and drifting. 20 tomorrow, still some snow showers. Heavier squalls, especially west of Albany. Partly sunny, 22 Wednesday. Flurries, 22 Thursday. 26 on Friday. This is crazy cold for this time of year. Little better over the weekend. Partly sunny Sunday, and a high near 35. Back to you guys.